Good morning, guys. I'm up here on the roof of my Airbnb. Let me show you guys what it looks like real quick. And on the other side there's a lake. It's right over there. This is the view on this side. There's all this construction going on over here. So in the daytime it's really loud. I hear welding going on over there. I hear hammering and other stuff going on over there. But yeah, so good morning. It's around 9 o'clock right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of go out, find some breakfast, and maybe wander the streets and stuff like that. I'm waiting to hear back from some realtors. Yesterday I saw 2 apartments, and today I'm hoping to meet more people and hopefully find my new home here in Hanoi. So we'll see how that goes. If it doesn't work out today, hopefully tomorrow. At the same time, I'm sending out resumes for jobs and stuff like that. Just trying to get set in so that I'm good to go and I'm not staying in someone else's place. So let's hit the streets. So I'm down here at the old quarter here in Hanoi. This is, I think, the oldest part of the city, what I read. But this is a super touristy area. There's a lot of foreigners, a lot of hostels, a lot of bars. But there's some pretty good food here, I remember. I'm gonna go try and find some egg coffee. So right by that fountain, there's this shop. You see all the bags, and then there's like this little alleyway that you have to go into. That's going to go to Cafe Din, and that's going to be up there. Try this delicious egg coffee. Wow, really good. It's very thick and creamy. It's like whipped cream, but it has that yolk and some other sweet flavor to it. Really nice. Very smooth. Okay, so I finally stirred up that egg yolk cream into the coffee, so it's like fully mixed, and it's a little bit more liquidy now, not so thick. It's still thick. Oh my god, it's so good. If you guys love cappuccino and you love eggs and you love eggnog and you like maybe pancake batter, it's really good. Got my delicious Banh Mi here. It's got a variety of meats and some cucumber and some other stuff in there, and some hot sauce. Oops, a little too much, but it's okay. It is a humid day. I am like sweating buckets. The temperature is fine, it's just the humidity. pad is good. That pate really binds it all together. The hot sauce adds a nice little flavor. The crunch of the cucumber really kicked it off. And that meat's very flavorful. I also got me some Hanoi beer. Cheers. Cold beer on a hot, humid day like today. So necessary. Okay, so I'm using Uber for the first time in my life, and in Vietnam, of course, everybody drives motorbikes, so they have a motorbike version, or you can just have a car or like a black Uber, and there's even like an SUV request. But I'm gonna go ahead and do moto because it's the cheapest. It's 30,000 dong, and that's just like a little over $1. And so it'll take me from my Airbnb all the way up to near Westlake, but on the south side, and that's where the real estate agent will meet me and show me some apartments. So let's see if we do this. This is my first time ever. Did it work? Aha. So it's connecting me. It says 1 minute, so I'm gonna go outside now. I got a driver coming right now. Okay. Got pulled over by the police. So I finally made it to my destination. Driver was really nice. Young guy, he spoke English pretty decently. The cops were just harassing him and he was like, no, fuck that. So he was arguing and they were going back and forth for a while. I was almost ready to just give up and find a new taxi driver. And then eventually they let him go. They were just like, you know what, just get out of here, young kid, like shut up and then go. And so they let him go, and anyways, it was a nice ride. It was about 15 minutes. So now I'm waiting for the real estate agent and gonna check out some places. I don't know if you can tell, but I am sweating like a mofo. It is so humid. Definitely a bad idea to walk around noon in the middle of summer in Vietnam. It is so hot. Air temperature, not hot. Humidity, 100%, maybe even 110%. It's ridiculous. The skies are turning gray. It looks like it's gonna do its daily afternoon downpour, so I picked up some cold beer, and I'm gonna head back to the Airbnb, chill out on the rooftop, and wait for the rain and cool off. Oh, this is necessary. Like burning up here. And it looks like any second it's just gonna release all that moisture that's been building up. Is that lightning just now? Maybe somebody's welding. Or it was lightning. Or it was both. Nope, definitely was lightning. Okay, so this is called Nem Nong. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably totally not saying it correctly. Nem Nong, and it's essentially like ground pork with some seasonings and stuff, wrapped around a stick and then grilled. And as you saw earlier, the lady, she was actually using like little scissors and she was snipping off the kind of like charred pieces. And that's like completely an Asian thing, I guess. I don't know. I've seen that in Korea time and time again. It's because they believe that the charred pieces will make you sick, especially like give you cancer or something like that. Oh god, that smoky charred flavor, the smell is really nice. It's like I mean, it's like barbecue, you know. Now, to my understanding, because this is like minced up meat, they add some other stuff, kind of like tteokgalbi in Korea, where they add like sugar and other things, and like a binder. What was it, like rice powder or something like that? It's like a binder, and then they wrap it around there and let it sit, and then they cook it that way. So I think that's exactly what this is. So let's go ahead and try it. Yes, this is essentially Korean tteokgalbi on a stick, but in Vietnamese, nem nuong. God, that's terrible. I'm so sorry to all Vietnamese people out there. I am totally not saying it right. And you can see the meat and some of the fat glistening in there, and it's just so yummy. My God. For the rest of the night, I'm just gonna chill out in the Airbnb, and then I also plan on doing some special posts specifically for my patrons on Patreon. If you don't know what that is, it's a way for you to support me through pledges, monthly pledges. It's totally voluntary. You don't have to do any of it, but I'm super thankful to those who do. It just means so much to me. It just, oh man, it just like touches my heart. Like, really thankful for that kind of support. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll update you guys once I actually do choose an apartment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please share this video with your friends if you really find it interesting. That's a great way to support me. See you guys next time. Bye!